Namaste. Myself Name-Shivi, Saxena, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. My discipline is medical laboratory technology. My topic is McIntosh and field anaerobic jar. McIntosh field anaerobic jar. Introduction. McIntosh and field anaerobic jar is an instrument used in microbiology laboratory for the generation of anaerobic conditions. To culture obligates anaerobics such as Clostridium species. Anaerobiosis obtained by McIntosh and Field's anaerobic jar is one of the excellent and most widely used method for anaerobiosis, but it requires costly special apparatus and vacuum pumps. Ability of gas supply is another major drawback of this system. Currently, it is being replaced by more conventional gas pack system. About the equipment, McIntosh and Field jar consist of 8 into 5-inch jar of stout glass or metal with a tight fitting metal lid. The lid can be clamped airtight with a screw and is fitted with two tubes that taps, one for introduction of gas inside and that the other of outlet for vacuum valve. The lid also contains two terminals that can be connected to an electric supply. A capsule containing aluminium plates coated with palladium is suspended under the lid by strong wire which are connected with the terminal to heat and catalyst for its activity. Nowadays, catalyst active at room temperature is also available. This is a diagram of McIntosh jar. Firstly, a picture of mixture of gases, and then pressure and to vacuum pumps and clamp, then palladium catalyst jar and inoculating culture plates. Principle: McIntosh and Field anaerobic jar work on the principle of evacuation and replacement, where the air inside the chamber is evacuated and replaced with mixture of gases consisting of 5% CO2, 10% H2 and 85% N2. It is practically impossible to evacuate all the air, so some amount of oxygen will still be left behind. The residual oxygen left behind the converted to water using spongy palladium of platinum catalyst. The catalyst act as a catalyzing agent, causing slow combination of hydrogen and oxygen to form water. Reduced methylene blue is generally used as indicator mixture of NaOH, methylene blue and glucose. It becomes colorless anaerobically but resin blue color on exposure of to oxygen. And procedure: keep the inoculated culture plate inside the jar along with an indicator. Screw tight the lid and close the inlet tube and connect outlet tube to a vacuum pump. At least three quarters of the air of the jar can be removed. Note the pressure on a vacuum gas, and when the pressure is reduced to 100 mm HI, example 600 mm below atmospheric, and tightly close the outlet tap. Connect the inlet tap is to a hydrogen supply and then open it. Hydrogen is passed through a small wash bottle. Bring the reduced pressure up to 760 mmHg by mentoring on the vacuum gases as 0, and switch off on the electric terminal for heating the palladinized crystal. The catalyst help to combination of hydrogen and residual oxygen to form water. This process is allowed to continue for 20 minutes. Incubate the McIntosh and filled jar in an incubator at 37 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. Mentoring efficiency of anaerobiasis. Reduced methylene blue indicator is used to check the efficiency and anaerobiasis. A tube containing reduced methylene blue solution had kept inside the jar along with the culture plates. Methylene blue is colorless in reduced condition and turns blue when oxidized. Thank you.